Dull skin and no natural glow? Don't worry. Today I'm sharing the most viral 2026 morning glow drink that can help your skin look fresh, healthy, and naturally radiant in just 7 days. This is the famous carrot and turmeric glow shot. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share the best time to drink it for maximum glow. Let's start. Ingredients: 1 small carrot, a small piece of fresh turmeric or half teaspoon turmeric powder, half lemon, a small piece of ginger. A pinch of black pepper, a few drops of coconut oil, half glass water droplet. Method: add carrot, ginger, turmeric, and water into a blender. Blend until smooth, strain it into a glass. Now add fresh lemon juice. Add a pinch of black pepper. Finally add a few drops of coconut oil, mix well. Your viral glow shot is ready. Benefits: helps support skin glow, supports collagen production, helps reduce dullness, makes skin look fresh and radiant. Best time: drink it every morning on an empty stomach for 7 days. You may start noticing a brighter and fresher look. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more beauty glow tips.